What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Funke Awe. Guys, if you're seeing me for the first time, thank you for clicking and just thank you for coming, and also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell button as well, the bell notification, just so you get notified immediately I post. You don't miss any of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button as well. Don't just subscribe. Yeah, guys. So today's video, I have for you this look right here. This is a fall simple makeup, or simple yet glam makeup look. And also I styled my hair, my ponytail, I styled it into bangs basically. And basically, guys, if you like to see how I achieved this whole look, my hair and my makeup, then keep watching and watch it completely to the end. And also don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's get right into the video. By using my hairbrush, a regular hair gel, the black one, and yeah, those are the two products I'm going to be using to lay down my hair today. I'm just going to take the gel and rub out all over my head, and then use the brush to basically brush it and smoothen it, and then tuck it in under my bun, basically because it's old already and it's not gonna get that complete swoosh backward, naturally, because my hair is natural, of course. So I'm just gonna be brushing the gel in and just tucking it underneath my bun. So now that that's done and secure, I'm gonna take my mousse and then just rub that all over my head, spread that everywhere, and then while that dries down, I'm gonna use a scarf to basically secure everything together before I go ahead and do my bangs. I just wanted to say real quick, because this isn't supposed to be a talk through video. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna take this, and this is like a bundle from that was left out of the one I have here as the one I used for my ponytail. Just in case, because I don't know where I kept the pack of the wig, but I kept this because I was sure that, I don't know if you guys can see that, I was sure that I was definitely going to want to buy it again, or I might, or someone might ask me, and I wouldn't remember, so I kept this. Basically, this is how it looked. So I think it was about 4 to 5, I think 5 bundles, and this was what was left of it. And yeah, I've had this on for like a week, and I'm not going to use it anymore, so I'm just trying to get the best out of it. I'm not even going to take it off. So this is what is left of it, and I just decided to give myself bangs, just a little bit. So that's just basically what I want to show you guys, because I didn't film doing this ponytail. I've had it for like a week, so I didn't film it. But if you guys would want to see like a video of me doing this, like putting my hair, basically my hair type is 4C, like this is your first time stopping, but you can go down below and see, like I have like other videos on my natural hair, not as many as I would love to, but definitely make sure I put out more content on my natural hair. I saw another one that's like kinkier and straight, and also the same length, I think it doesn't say. Okay, it's 22 inches, and it says it's 200 grams. So yeah, I would get it and show you guys how I installed it. Basically, if you want to see that, then I'll do that. If you don't want to see that, I'm not going to do it. I'm sorry, I'm not going to do it. But if you want to see how I got my hair like this, like my previous video that I uploaded, the way my hair was in the video, basically that's how it is, that's how long it is, like as a high ponytail. So yeah, but anyway, I think I've been talking for too long. Anyway guys, so yeah, like I said, I'm going to make this into bangs. Basically that's what I'm doing in this video, nothing special. I recently had like a pimple on my forehead right here. It was so annoying having your hair in a ponytail, like all slicked back, and you have like a pimple right here. Like what is that? So I remembered I had this, and I just did that, and I went out and I loved it. I was like, nah, I have to do a video for you guys. A few people requested, not like a lot. Let me not say, oh, you guys requested. No, just like a couple people requested, I did it for you guys. So yeah, I'm doing it, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take it, like, basically I just doubled it. So basically after folding it and doubling it, I'm just going to take it around my bun and just wrap it around my bun until I get that perfect length that I want. You can keep wrapping it until you get the perfect length, or you can just stop and cut it, because I wanted it to have to be full. So I just stopped here and I'm going to cut it. Or you can fold it, wrap it and fold it, and use pins to hold it. But I wanted everything to be seamless, so I just decided to cut it. You can also leave it like that, anyhow you want, just depends on your preference, but I decided to cut mine. So yeah, as you can see, I cut it and this is how it's looking. I'm still going to cut it some more just to get the perfect length I wanted. Now I see that it's a little bit too straight. I just decided to basically pull some strands out, you know, just like you normally do your attachment. So I'm just doing that, and that's how there is looking, guys. This is how it looks. Basically very easy to achieve, yet really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial. And yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my makeup. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Age Rewind in shade Caramel, rub that all over my eyelids, using that as my eyeshadow base. I'm taking my EWARONKEPRO eyeshadow Gemini palette, and then I'm going to use that as my main crease color, that brown shade. Just packing that all over my eyelids. And I'm also going to take my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm going to use that orange shade as basically a transition color, and buff that into my brow bone area. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So guys, I'm gonna take that brown shade, the dark brown shade, I'm gonna pack that at the end of my crease. Next I'll take the orange shade, the yellow shade from the Zulu palette. The yellow shade is gonna be my main crease color, so I'm just packing that all over my eyelids. I'm gonna go back into that brown shade and just use that to blend out everything so there's no line. Now I'm taking my Sigma Wicked eyeliner. I'm just using that to do a little black liner while I smoke out the residue from the liner and just blend that onto my crease. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So guys, that's what I'm doing. I'm done with my two eyes now. I'm just gonna apply some lashes, and yes, the look is coming along. Taking my vitamin C serum by Pixie, I'm going to use that to basically moisturize my face and get it ready for my foundation. So while that sits on my face, I'm going to take my NYX NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm going to just use that as my foundation today. So I'm taking that same concealer I used for my eyes, I'm using that for my highlights today. I'm just going to put that all over the areas where I want to highlight. And it gets really dry, so I'm just going to spray my face with my Mario Badessu rose gold spray, and then rose water spray, and then yeah, I'm just blending out the concealer on my face. Now I'm going to take my contour shade, I'm just going to use that to contour my face and just blend that out and brush it with a brush.
basically just use that to bronze my face. I'm gonna use that to contour all the areas where I want to, you know. Yeah guys, so that's what I'm doing. That's all set. I'm just gonna spray my face with my setting spray, and then I'm gonna apply some highlights, all that good stuff. Yeah guys, the look is basically, we're almost done. I'm gonna do my lips real quick guys, and then we're done with the look. This is the finished look. I already sprayed my face and everything, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys loved watching this hair and makeup tutorial. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more hair tutorials like this, or makeup videos, whatever you guys would like to see, let me know and I'll be sure to work on that for you guys. Okay, that's it for this video guys. Please subscribe, share, like, and yes guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.